Hi, I'm Jerry from Unior Bike Tools and I'm here to present you our new chain wear indicator. Our chain wear indicator's got a modified design and it makes it way more precise. It will tell you exactly how much your chain is worn. To measure the chain wear, start by inserting the middle protrusion. Keep the chain tensioned at all times. Don't force the tool into the chain and take the measurement. We recommend inserting the middle protrusion into the inner link of the chain. Readings from 0 to 0.5 means that your chain is still good to go. Readings from 0.5 to 0.75 means that you should consider replacing your chain. For detailed instructions on how to use the tool, you can scan the QR code on the tool and follow the video instructions. Be on the top of your chain wear game. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.